Hi, this is TJ Mars, one of the founders of Micro Venture Capital Fund. I'm going to go through this presentation very quickly today, so if you need further details, you can visit our website as well, microvcfund.com. Our offer is simply this. We're raising $25 million to invest in up to 30 early-stage companies across a variety of types of companies, such as digital currencies, royalty contracts, smart contracts, distressed business turnarounds, and real estate. We're targeting a return of 3.7x in our 3-year window of the fund. So we have up to about 3 years to try to produce that result. We think that we're going to go well surpassing that, but we just want to put that number out there as something we think is a realistic target based upon all of our data. Plus, we offer 10.5% annual interest rate option. So you'll find out about that if you wish to participate. But essentially, you can earn a monthly check at a pretty high annual rate. So what we do is offer the 10.5% annual interest option. Is option 1. Option 2 is you can convert that to equity. Number 3, if you need to get out early, like many funds, you're not really stuck. You can get out early with a small penalty. It's kind of like a CD where you get out a little bit early for a small penalty. And 4, we may decide simply to buy you out, and we guarantee that if we do a full buyout like that, it'll be no less than 2x on your money. So that's still a nice return over such a short period of time. Our units are $31,250 currently. Soon we'll go to $51,000 at a future date to be announced. Now, we are considered an alternative speculative investment vehicle. We're an accelerator which serves as a business accelerator leveraging investments in early growth companies. An incubator. That means the fund serves as a business incubator leveraging investments in startups, just really getting them off the ground with minimal amounts of risk. Then we're all going to get more involved in digital currency, which we have some excellent opportunities there that have developed. Speculative real estate may be part of the fund as well as distressed business opportunities, because sometimes we come across businesses that are excellent opportunities, but they just prefer to sell, and we can pick them up at a lower than average market price. These are a couple of the founders. That's me, TJ Mars. Then there's Gary Kramer. Again, you can read this information in more detail on the website, but for the sake of this brief video, we won't get into all that. Tony Drexel-Smith is really the key because he has 30 years of developing businesses and raising capital for literally thousands of enterprises. What we do is we take companies through a very strict, rigorous screening process. And FinFire is the system we use, plus their proprietary software. And it does the initial onboarding, documents, and due diligence. It analyzes the capital markets and does the project management. Again, we incorporate some of the highest skilled people in the industry, combining that with AI tools to make it more accurate. So FinFire, for example, is the software that we incorporate that does the real analysis at a higher level than any human probably can do. So again, we're the first of that. Oh, I should also mention that the fund is invested in FinFire. So let's look at a few of the companies that, and again, this is just a very quick overview for you, but for example, Advantageous Systems, they use nanotechnology to clean water better. And they can clean large municipality water systems way better than anything currently available. This is a huge product for the future. Allergon, it has a simple product. You can drop a couple of drops in a glass of water or a cup of coffee or other types of drinks and actually remove the chemicals that are in there. But specifically, we're focusing on fluoride, but then we found that it actually works on a broader base of chemicals to clean up your water. You carry a little bottle around, you drop it in there, and your water is chemical-free. Then we have Appalachian Springs, another water-based product, but it's also water that has healing products involved. Amergen, Pain Be Gone, which is essentially uses a very unique technology to, like it's a simple roll-on that can actually eliminate pain. It's like nothing else in the market. Biologic Aqua Research, these are water mist products that are helpful to the eyes and the skin. Again, these are all natural, truly proven products. Okay, then we have CCTV, F&B AI. It's a tool for hospitality, restaurants, and bars that can use CCTV video feeds to manage their facilities. Essentially, the idea is to recognize patterns where someone might be trying to steal something or cause a harm. Dining Empire and Diva Network kind of work hand in hand. They're entertainment-based networks that do a variety of cash-producing businesses in the entertainment industry. Then Ethica Meds, it's really an ethical medical company. They actually can help design medicine, pharmaceuticals that are custom designed based upon your DNA. That's a breakthrough in all of pharmaceuticals. Electrum Partners, this may be one of our early roll-ups that's well underway. We can't give all the details here, but it's maybe one of our biggest payoffs, hopefully. Earth Vision Biosolutions. This is really one of the most amazing products, essentially getting rid of all plastics and paper products and destructive wood materials with a totally nanotech-based, self-destructing product that can be made into all kinds of things that essentially will clear up the landfills and avoid filling the landfills. Okay, Fern Bio, it's an AI app to help develop patents at a fraction of the time and cost than the normal processes. We know the attorney community is going to be very excited about this. First Novo, protecting consumers from credit card fraud in retail establishments. Okay, this is just another product that helps protect waste and fraud. Mingo Technologies, it really gets us into the blockchain technologies a little bit more. You'll see multiple blockchain plays through our system. Music for Life, essentially it's a music product that people can subscribe to that actually has the evidence of providing real health for people with certain mental issues that they're dealing with. Micro and Venture Investment Advisors, they really do the back end work of us, but it's a separate company that we also invest in because they're going to help a lot of companies do the same thing. So we help our ventures with the tools that we use. Overnight Travel Bags, a very popular product, already getting huge social media play for overnight travel bags. Pedalicious Footwear, you know how women go to get their nails done and got to get their nails painted and they got to put things between their toes so they can walk out. Well, this is actually a slip-on shoe and other supporting products that have already proven to be very popular. Now what we're trying to do there is just create more supply because meeting demand is the real issue there. Philo Beauty, truly health science-based skincare products that actually are good for you as opposed to dangerous for you. So that's an exciting one. It's a product I use myself. There's the sporting lounges. Let's see what else we've got. Red Leaf Copy Corp. That actually may be a company that exits soon, and we hope to get a nice payout from that. See, some of these companies are well on their way already. Rayton Solar. This is one of the most exciting ones because the big problem with AI is how much energy it takes. Well, they've developed a ability to recoat essentially silicon chips in all the facilities generating AI that use up so much energy. Well, now we can reduce the energy cost by about a third. That's going to be a huge one. All right, and let's see, we've got SOBI Therapy, which is a tool to help women deal with brain function and normal hormonal health during menopause and similar situations. So it's a very, very exciting product there as well. So these are our contacts for the fund if you want to get more information. I know that was a very quick version. It's just meant to be a quick overview. You can get more information. Of course, we'll give you full due diligence, and you can get access to all of our company information upon request. But please get a hold of us and let us know what we can do for you.